Have you ever wondered why, despite all your efforts, some of your desires just don't manifest? Today, we are talking about two of the most powerful tools in the world for manifestation: hypnosis and law of attraction. Which one is more powerful, and which one holds the key to unlocking your deepest desires? By the end of today's video, you are going to have a much clearer understanding of exactly how hypnosis and the law of attraction work and how you can use them to amplify your manifestations. Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist and #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction and the creator of the Believe Hypnosis app, which is designed to empower your manifestation journey using hypnotic techniques and guided meditations. And I am here today to help you tap into the power of your mind, aligning yourself with the manifesting conditions and successfully attracting your dreams, your goals, and a life you love. If you are ready to unlock the secrets to powerful manifestation, type "I'm ready" in the comments below. And let's start this. Let's start now by understanding hypnosis. So, what is hypnosis and how does it work? So, hypnosis is like a trance-like state of focus and concentration. This is a state that allows you to tap into your very powerful part of your mind known as your subconscious mind. Have you ever tried hypnosis, or are you a little skeptical when it comes to hypnosis? Drop your comments in the chat below, in the comments below, and let's get into some of the benefits of hypnosis. So hypnosis can help you in so many ways. It can help you to change any of your unwanted behaviors. It can help you to enhance your mindset. It can help you with your physical health. It can also help you to implant new ideas into your mind about success, abundance, wealth, and happiness. And how hypnosis works is simply by bypassing the critical faculties of your conscious mind, which usually block the information from coming in. But when you go into hypnosis, that part of your mind gets out of the way and you're able to instill new beliefs into your powerful subconscious mind. So, how does hypnosis work for manifestation? Using hypnosis, you plant the seeds of your desires directly into your subconscious mind, which makes it such a powerful tool for manifestation. So that is essentially how hypnosis works. Now let's talk about how law of attraction works. So law of attraction is based on an idea that attracts. When you focus on negative or positive, those thoughts are going to bring you the same positive or negative experiences into your life. Focusing on the positive is going to bring positive. Focusing on the negative is going to bring more negative. So let me just ask you, have you ever manifested anything using the law of attraction? So go ahead and drop your comment below and let me know if there's anything that you believe that you have manifested using the law of attraction. I'd love to hear your stories below. Now, to train your brain to focus on those positive thoughts more than the negative thoughts, that's where some techniques are used. All right, so in the law of attraction, people talk about visualizing, they talk about vision boards, they talk about affirmations, they talk about gratitude journals. All of these things are common law of attraction oriented tools that align your energy with your desires. Now, keep in mind, law of attraction is really a philosophy. It's an idea. It's not in and of itself a tool. It is a collection of, to use law of attraction, there are a collection of tools that help you to get your mind more in alignment with what it is that you want to attract into your life. The law of attraction also not only works on based on your personal beliefs, but it also works based on your environment. Your beliefs set the foundation for what you think you can achieve. All right. So, whatever beliefs you have, if you believe you're capable of achieving success, you're much more likely to take the actions that align with that belief. So it's really a self-fulfilling prophecy. The confidence that comes from those positive beliefs usually leads to behaviors that make that belief a reality. So it's not really magic. A lot of people think of it as this hocus, focus, pocus, whatever. And it's really about you attract what you believe, but it's not a straight line. You attract what you believe, and that causes you to take the actions. And the actions are what bring about the results. And beyond that, your energy that you project out into the world through your thoughts, through your feelings, through your beliefs, can draw in similar energies toward you, meaning that you attract the circumstances, the people, and the opportunities that are always there all around you. You're just lining up with that based on your frequency of abundance or positivity, and you are much, much more likely to attract the opportunities that reflect your energy. This might include that you meet new people that can open doors for you, that you might stumble upon a financial opportunity that you never noticed before, or you might encounter a situation that just really helps you to enhance your well-being in some way. So let's compare and contrast the effectiveness and the speed. So hypnosis can offer much quicker changes at the subconscious level, where the law of attraction, just used on its own without any hypnosis, might take a lot longer because it requires this consistent emotional and mental discipline. So which method do you feel is most powerful for you? Hypnosis or the law of attraction? I'd love to hear your comment below. Now, what if I told you that you could combine both of these tools for ultra powerful manifestation? While you use hypnosis to directly access the subconscious, you can mix the law of attraction right in with that. And that is the power of conscious intentions and alignment and hypnosis all together. When you combine hypnosis and the law of attraction, you're creating a synergy. You're creating an effect that maximizes the benefits of both of these powerful tools. Hypnosis can help you to plant the new seeds of empowering beliefs directly into your subconscious mind, and then practicing the law of attraction on a regular basis, keeping that in the forefront of your mind and knowing the understanding that is attracting, and you're consciously helping yourself to maintain this higher vibrational frequency consistently. So by using hypnosis to adjust your subconscious mind with the deeper beliefs and your goals, and then applying the law of attraction to consciously reinforce and focus on those goals, you're creating a very powerful dynamic. And this is what's going to allow for a much more effective manifestation process. And this is going to accelerate your results. So hypnosis is going to help you to quickly resolve any underlying issues that may normally take longer to correct through just consciously focusing on the law of attraction. And the law of attraction is going to help you to maintain and amplify the positive effects of hypnosis by continuously nurturing your positive and abundant mindset. So, here's how you want to integrate both. Begin with hypnosis. Start by using hypnosis to address any of the beliefs and behaviors that are not in alignment with your desired outcomes. For example, if you're struggling with your self worth, hypnosis can really help you to alter that belief about yourself. Then you have a much more clear path to apply the law of attraction once those beliefs are planted. And you can just continue to use the law of attraction to reinforce those beliefs. During your non hypnosis time, you want to continue the practice with visualization, affirmations, maintaining your gratitude, keeping your thoughts and your energy aligned with your goals. So you're not just going into hypnosis for 30 minutes a day, but you are continuing to stay in a high vibe by continuing to focus and visualize and use the gratitude and the affirmations throughout your day. Now, remember, you can double the impact of your visualizations and your affirmations and your gratitude by doing these directly during your hypnosis sessions. And that's one of the reasons why Believe is so amazing, because I already created all the law of attraction oriented content for you right within the hypnosis sessions themselves. So you don't even have to think about how to do it on your own. You just pick a session that you want, and boom, you already have a session that's been perfectly designed to manifest using the law of attraction. Pretty cool. And so, as we've seen, both hypnosis and law of attraction have their own unique strengths in the realm of manifesting your desires. Whether you choose to use the more direct approach using the subconscious mind, or just using the law of attraction and honing your energy and remembering how to stay positive, keep focused on your goals and your desires. Remember, ultimately, all the power to do all of this lies within you. So, which is the most powerful tool? You're going to have to decide that for yourself. It might just be the one that resonates most deeply with you. Now, I'd love to hear your take. Which method will you be focusing more on in your journey to manifest your desires? Let me know in the comments. And I just want to thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. Remember, your journey to manifestation is unique, and exploring different paths is part of the adventure. So keep working toward this, keep manifesting, and you will see a change in your world.